Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the minimal scaffold so you can build immediately. Install Node.js and open a new folder in your editor. This gives you package tooling and editor integrations. Create manifest. JSON and set manifest version to 3, add icons and a background service worker file. Once done, add a content script entry and request only required permissions like web request, storage, and active tab. This early focus avoids guesswork and makes the extension loadable in developer mode for rapid iteration. Now implement the core blocking engine and UI. Fetch filter lists and normalize patterns into compact structures. Turn domain globs into regex or native rule objects. Prefer declarative net request rules for performance and compatibility. Fall back to web request when dynamic matching is required. Hook rules to your background service worker and update them on changes. Also implement options UI to let users add a whitelist or custom block list. Store those choices in storage. Sync so preferences persist and sync across the user's devices. Finish by polishing UX, testing, and packaging the extension. Test on multiple sites and in a new profile. Use DevTools network and extension internals to confirm blocked requests and measure overhead. Make sure the options page is clear and permissions are minimized before packaging. Once packaged, sign and submit to the browser store with accurate descriptions. If something goes wrong, inspect manifest version, required permissions, rule syntax, and service worker lifecycle logs. These are the most common culprits when blocking doesn't occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.